In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram automatically deleting messages. So first thing you need to do is go to your messages. So go to home, click at the top right, and click into any of these messages. For example, this one where you've experienced messages deleted. So it could be because you simply are in the disappearing messages mode. So if you swipe up like this, as you can see, it says you turned on disappearing messages. This means when you swipe up, you turn on this mode, which will delete messages after 24 hours after you have seen them. So to turn this off, simply swipe up again, and here it says you turned off disappearing messages. Now messages won't disappear after 24 hours of you seeing them. So if you did this and you're still having issues, then the next thing you need to try is to leave Instagram and go to home, go to phone settings and search for apps. Over here inside of apps, you want to search for Instagram, and here you want to go to storage and clear cache and clear data. Delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. So after you do this, you want to go back and check if your issue has been fixed, and if not, then what you can do is you can check if Instagram needs updating. Sometimes it's simply a bug. So if you leave Instagram and go back to Play Store, go to search for Instagram, make sure it's updated. So once you update it, it could fix your issue. Now if you update and it still doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram, because this sometimes could actually fix the issue. And if even this doesn't fix the issue, then your last bet is to try to turn off your phone. So if you click and hold on your power button like this, let me just hold this. So if you click and hold on your power button, you should see like a restart option over here. Let me just I don't know why it's not working. Okay, there you go. So if you see the screen, you can simply click on restart, because sometimes restarting your phone can just fix this issue easily. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.